Morning students. Uh, we have already studied about definition and the scope of traditional political approach. Now today we will study about methodology of political science, especially traditional political science. First of all, I want to tell you there are mainly four types or four methods related to traditional political approaches. Traditional political perspective. First of all, philosophical. Second is historical. Third is institutional. Institutional method. And fourth is legal. Institutional is not necessary. Less important method, comparative. Method is more important than institutional method. The next, legal or constitutional method, and more or less methods are there. Institutional, नॉर्मेटिव, या ऑब्जर्वेशनल. These methods are helpful to study of political science. If you study of political science, then these are tools. These methods are work like a tool to study political science. We will study one by one all the methods. First of all, we will study philosophical method. I mean to say that is that all the methods are important, but these four methods are more important than these two. It is the oldest method to study of political science. or related to traditional political science, and it is work from Plato at present political thinkers. It means it is not only traditional, but it is work also in present conditions. Political science is not only working for this system, it is working for nowadays for citizens also. I mean to say that it is also a social subject, then it means it is a part of philosophy. Political science is a part of philosophy. It means all the social subjects are work for the society. It means it is essential to useful for the society. So I mean to say that darshan is the basic subject, or it is the foundation of other subject, all the social subject also. Political science is part of philosophy. It means all the social subject are connected to each other. Okay, तो सोशियोलॉजी हो, साइकोलॉजी हो, इकोनॉमी हो, हिस्ट्री हो, all the subjects are connected to each other. So then the ideas of all the subjects are same to serve the society. Is the same is to serve the society. Political science is a sub-discipline of philosophy. I can also say that this is the sub-discipline of philosophy. Sub-discipline of philosophy. It means all the subjects are essential, but they have their independent aspects for the society. The next important thing, Plato, father of the philosophy, political philosophy. Father of political philosophy. Only philosophy's father is Socrates. Next, I mean to say that Plato related the political science with the philosophy. Plato clarified what is the role of philosophy in political science. How can useful the philosophy to describe the political issue, political concept, political theory, and what is the political science play a important role in society. What is the basic concept of the political science to be work in society, to be work not. It is I am talking about what is the background of a philosophical method. It is important because the Plato believe in philosophy, and each and every subject has its philosophy. What is the basic, what is the need of any social subject? If you find out the reason of any subject, then it is easy to clarify what is he wants, what the subject work for society, and how can the subject work for the society, yeah, how can the subject serve the society, and the society can be developed on that particular concept and theories which is related to political science. I told you before that political science is a philosophy method is a value and idea based method. This approach is value and idea based approach. It means this approach act upon ideas like liberty, freedom, equality, what are the basics of political obligation? I want to clarify here that value, not price, value, ethics, moral faith, and idea on state can work. It means it is combination of ideas and values that thinkers believe that in any particular situation you how to see, how to react different in same condition there are different ideas can be arised by different thinkers, but all the ideas can be based on value, working for stability or working for stable the values. Philosophical approach is concerned with what ought to be. Rather than what is actual reality. It means it is these thinkers are doesn't believe in present condition. He think that what can do for the better of the society in future, and which system is revocable, and what things is not working properly at present time. So you have the basic idea for future, and what things are not necessary at present time, and what needs in future demanded by the people, by the citizens of a particular state. The king, Plato says, the king ought to be wise in the world of idea. It means king have many ideas. King should be wiser, should be wise in their thoughts, in their ideas. I hope you have understood what explain before you. This is the oldest method to study political science, and it is believe in moral faith, morality. Plato, Aristotle. Plato provide idea about ideal state. It means ideal state is a part of philosophical approach. It is based on imagination. imagination is another element of this approach. More, Aristotle, Plato are the most famous philosophical methods. या philosophical Plato, Moore, Locke, Rousseau are the most famous philosophical thinkers. It means if you talking about your natural rights, then it means you are philosophical, you are support the philosophical thinkers. It means you never seen actually who provide your natural rights, but the some thinkers talking about that rights. It means they are talking about your rights, birthrights. Natural rights are your birthright. It is not necessary. Some state provide all the natural or birthrights, and some state not working for that type of rights. You can you can't mix imagination and reality, but that thinkers believe what ought to be. It means they imagination, they are imagine what which state are good for the peoples, but that particular state is not found in real. They found only their imagination. It means when you are talking anything that anything which is can't exist in present world, it means you are philosophical thinkers. It means you are philosophical thinkers. Next method is historical approach or historical method. Historical method. It is easy to explain. I mean to say its heading define itself that it is related to history, history of a state, history of a government, history of any type of institutions, history of an idea, history of a particular person, and history help us to understand that particular state, person or idea could be run. How could be run? How again next. It is one of the oldest method. and more working method than any other method. This approach is related to the history. I think you know, I think you knew Machiavelli. Machiavelli is an Italian political thinker. It defined what is the reason to destroy Italy Empire. He says that he found the reasons of destroying Italy Empire in history. He says that there are no unity between Italy state. Italy is divided in 5 states. Italy was divided in 5 states. Independent state, I can say. It is related to history. Related to history. History help us to understand the reasons of origin development of a state. It means historical method help us to understand the reasons या causes किया जा सकता है. Understand the causes of origin development of a state and the difficulties of a state. The history give us not only reasons informations about any state, about a particular state. About what happened, but also history provide us the utility of a state,